My name is Roopnarain Dasarath, more commonly known as Roopnarain Dasarath. I started this business in 1978. We are a small family business, and we run with that ethos of, giving service excellence. Yeah, we're relentless to pursuit the motto of service excellence.
I'm Vihan Dasarath, the third generation to join the family business. The strength of previous generations have afforded the opportunity to me, the current generation, to embrace the opportunities offered by the fourth industrial revolution in order to meet the family philosophy of quality and customer service excellence in these ever-changing times. The average customer ranges from a retail consumer to architectural aluminium installer to a interior decorator, a shower and balustrade installer, and even the refrigeration industry. The strength of Hitech lies in its ability to service a range of customers over the spectrum. The goal of the investment was in line with our strategy to enhance quality and to drastically reduce lead times. The investment has exceeded expectation, and the association with Forel has been nothing short of fantastic. After extensive research, we were drawn to Forel as a brand. While traveling, we met Owen Allen, a sales representative of Forel in Toronto, Canada. He gave us the opportunity to experience the Forel processing lines in operation at various manufacturing facilities. This experience attracted us to Forel even more as a brand. However, it was the family ethos of the business that got us to invest with them. The fully automated edging machine, drilling machine, and vertical washing machine has essentially combined three separate processes into one production line. The ability for glass to pass through three separate processes with no human contact has drastically reduced rejection rates. Add to this the use of sophisticated software, which allows drilling and milling to be done to exact specifications. The complex technology that's behind this really is simplified by a great user interface, which allows connection to Forel's 24-hour service line should there be any emergency or faults. We view Forel as a strategic partner rather than a supplier. Our interaction from pre-sale right through to post-sale has been nothing short of excellent. The South African market has followed the world market for the longest time, and we believe that this trend will continue into the foreseeable future. The current contraction of the global economy caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has forced consumers to tighten their budgets. This will in turn cause developers and builders alike to look for more cost-effective products. As an industry, we will have to cut inefficiencies and build on synergies in order to meet this nuanced demand.